Have you ever wanted to get your kids to care more about others or give more to others, especially in the holiday giving season? This activity is going to help your kids start to develop some of those caring and giving feelings by creating something for someone that they care about. This activity is so simple because it's about wrapping paper that you need, and it doesn't matter what's inside. It's going to matter for the child to try to give something in wrapping. It's fun, open-ended art activity that builds creative skills and builds that empathy and caring that you're trying to develop with your kids by giving and making something using their time and their ideas. So here's how it works. If you check out the affiliate link below from Amazon, you can order some butcher paper, or maybe you know a craft store that you can buy it from in the neighborhood, or just use some paper that you have around the house. What is probably the most developmentally appropriate for them to create holiday wrapping paper? You know, for 2-year-olds, it might be that real simple finger paint, hands-on, or using like bingo daughters or like some stamping. Whereas for 3-year-olds, it could be anything from using sponges or cookie cutters or stickers. And then when you get to the 4-year-olds, you could probably add in some more use of stencils and glue and glitter and even some writing and tracing letters. You can do all of these things with a 5-year-old. No matter which idea you decide to do, it's open-ended, following the child's idea to be creative and make something for someone. Once you decide what you want to do, here are some really great questions that you might want to ask while they're completing this fun project. If you're making something for daddy, maybe you ask a question like, what color do you think daddy is going to like the most? I know daddy loves things like candy canes or the color red. Do you think we could use one of these for his paper? Leave the design open and creative for your child's ideas. It's going to develop those critical thinking, some planning skills, and confidence and independence. And then other questions that you might want to ask them while they're working on this is, how do you think daddy is going to feel about it when he opens this? Or what do you think daddy's going to feel when he sees what you made? Those kind of things help them start to feel that confidence and empathy to someone else, that they're making something for someone else to make them happy. When your paper is all dry and ready to use, get your child to help and get them involved in the wrapping. Sometimes even 4 and 5-year-olds might want to start doing some of the letters and writing to and from on it, especially if it's their name. And if they're not ready to do the writing yet, get them involved watching you. Tell them, I'm going to write on here, love. That's going to get them feeling really comfortable and experienced with some writing. Your little one is going to be so excited about all of this holiday giving. They might want to start wrapping other things around the house for their stuffed animals or other people as well, because they're going to get in the spirit of giving with this activity. If you like this video, click the like button, the thumbs up. Also, comment below. Let me know what is your favorite type of stencil or your favorite type of art to do with your child. And to get notifications for little ideas like this on a weekly basis, click that bell and subscribe to this channel. Show your support and any other ideas that you are interested in checking out. There are links in the description below. Thanks everyone. Bye.